Welcome to our What's New in 2020 series. I'm Tom and I'll take you through the updates for SOLIDWORKS Manage 2020, Project Management. Managing a project is no simple feat. Project management with SOLIDWORKS Manage, however, enables you to tightly integrate with resources and deliverables throughout your organisation. With the 2020 release, it is easier to get started by importing current and upcoming projects, visualise the life of your projects, and plan the capacity of your resources. If you have projects in other tools like Microsoft Project, you can now import them as XML. Start, finish, duration, predecessors and registered users are automatically recognised, so you can start connecting tasks and deliverables right away. Load charts, Pert charts and network diagrams are now available, so you can visualise your project how you want and communicate your projects in a variety of formats. Often you may have multiple active projects with common resources. With the new capacity planning in Manage, you can automatically calculate available time from your resources, as well as the demand from your projects. Holidays and absences may be included as well, so you can easily take control of your operational efforts and costs. To summarise the updates to SOLIDWORKS Manage, Project Management in SOLIDWORKS 2020, we can now import and export as XML, network diagrams and Pert charts are now available, and the new capacity planning, allowing you to calculate resources and demand for your projects. All this improving project effectiveness with an expanded toolset.